Today we're looking at these Linkind LED bulbs. I have two different types here. I have the soft white dimming bulb. I also have the cool white. Right above me has the soft white bulbs in it, and they're a little bit too yellow for our liking, so I'm going to do a little comparison of the difference of these. The colour temp on the soft white is 2700 and the cool white has a 4000 rating. They're 9.5 watts each, kind of pack of 6. We've been using these LED bulbs for years and we've been really impressed with the longevity of them. We haven't had to replace any. We did put in some new lights and didn't have any more of the cool white lights, so we had to use the soft white, and we just don't like the yellow colour it's putting off. We typically have these in our bed lamps and other small lamps around the house that aren't lighting up an area. We just want this to be a little bit whiter than this. It makes the house look a little bit darker and kind of yellows this lovely white paint job we have. So let's replace these yellow bulbs here with the white ones. Now we've got the cool white light bulbs in here and it looks so much better. It's not as yellow in this hallway and it actually looks like the walls are white and not some off cream colour. So you're looking for some new bulbs to replace in your house, I'd really recommend you get these Linkind A19 light bulbs. If you have light bulbs you need to replace in your house, I really recommend you get these Linkind A19 LED light bulbs. You won't be disappointed with them, they last for a long time and you have plenty of options when it comes to warm light or cool light.